Tribute to Captain Ibrahim Traoré. From Burkina forever.
Tim Tim, not lie.
To every Burkinabe across the world, close your eyes, hear the market vendors, children laughing in the streets, the balafon beneath the baobab, stories shared around the evening fire, the aroma of fresh dough. Suddenly, you're no longer in Côte d'Ivoire, Ghana, France, Italy, Belgium, Canada, the United States or Germany. You're already home, Burkina Faso. Tim Tim life.
Burkina forever.
Land of honest people.
Your name lives inside our hearts.
For those still at home and those watching Africa's sunrise
From far away,
every city has a melody, every village keeps a memory, every Burkinabe carries hope inside their heart. From Ouaga to Dori, from Banfora to Fada, one heart, one people, Burkina Faso forever. Across Burkina Faso, a new generation dreams of standing taller tomorrow. I've listened, I've watched, I've followed conversations across the world again and again.
Tim Tim, life.
One name kept returning, His Excellency Captain Ibrahim Traoré. I've seen voices online from Africa, Europe, the Americas, Asia, and beyond, speaking about Burkina Faso. Many people see Captain Ibrahim Traoré as a symbol of dignity, self-confidence, sovereignty, and the belief that Africa can help shape its own future. Captain Ibrahim Traoré, from what I've personally witnessed, when people who have never met you, never walked the streets of Ouagadougou, never shared a meal in Burkina Faso, still take time to speak about your leadership, that tells me
Burkina Faso
has captured the attention of the world. For that I simply offer my sincere congratulations. May God continue to give you wisdom. May He bless
Burkina Faso.
May He protect its families, its children, its future. And may every leader today and tomorrow serve the people with humility, peace, justice, compassion, and love. Because the greatest treasure of Burkina Faso has never been gold or cotton or land. It has always been its people. Leaders may inspire a generation, but the people write history. Burkina forever.
One heart, one people,
one future.
Burkina forever.
One heart, one people, one future. This song is for those at home, for those longing to return, for parents waiting, for children growing far from their roots. Because Haiti and Burkina Faso share one history, one rhythm, one hope, one African heartbeat. Burkina forever. I love you. Je vous aime.